I'm Evan Schaefer and I'm a sophomore special education student, and the biggest thing on my Christmas list is a new laptop.
All right, my name is Grant Shea. I'm a freshman. I am an agriculture major, and on my Christmas list is a Matthews compound bow.
Maya Serrato, I'm a sophomore, I'm a criminal justice major, and I want some Lululemon yoga pants for Christmas.
Hi, I'm Caitlin McCutcheon. I'm a freshman and I'm majoring in school health education, and on my Christmas list I have a new laptop cover and winter boots to walk to class.
I'm Hector Garcia. I'm a junior, Spanish major, and for Christmas this year I think I want a new peacoat.